You are a liar. You told me you send me money. Have a lot Western Union here in Kuwait.
Ben, naiman na uyab.
What are you drinking? What are you drinking?
I'm drinking 7-Up. Why? You give me money for buy 7-Up? You are so liar too much.
Don't say that, okay? I love you. Don't say that.
I don't believe in love.
I believe in money.
I believe in money.
Where is your aunt? Where is your auntie?
My auntie is asleep. She is asleep now.
Ang
What
ganda.
did you do?
Nothing. Not.
Somebody else.
No, I'm
Somebody
alone.
was laughing.
No, I had a music speaker.
Okay, but there is problem. My bank is not sending money to you. They don't have Western Union. Okay, I will do something. Okay, I'm not lying to you. Okay.
Oh, really? Is it money?
How much?
How much?
You come India, na?
Huh? No have buy ticket for India. I'm afraid India.
You want to see my boobs?
Hmm?
Give bulos. Kapit na sulod ang mangga.
Who is with you? Don't lie. Somebody is talking with you.
No, I'm
Can
alone.
you see who
I'm alone.
is that? Show me the camera.
Police. Ito mo si Mama. Tapos na. Police. Mama, unang drinks na eh. Luspad gamay. Si Bawa na ni Otroy. Hindi na pumasok na mo.
You are laughing at me.
No, I'm not laughing with you.